Here's been one of our more popular selling models in the past year, give or take. 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner. This is a nice one, folks. Two-door hard top, Sunfire yellow, black vinyl top. That is the original color. This would have came in Sunfire yellow according to the fender tag. And I'll tell you where you can check out a picture of that fender tag and anything else we have on this car here in a bit. Underneath the hood, 383 high performance V8. That is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, and that's the way this car also would have came. 383 underneath the hood with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering. Now if you want to check out that data tag, any of the stamping, when it pictures the stamping from the engine, check those still pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
The last ones of these we've had in have not lasted very long, so if you're looking for a Roadrunner, don't be afraid to give a call. Now, as far as paint on this car has been restored. The paint is not that old on it, and it shows. It's laid on there nice. I don't know if the pictures and video actually really do this car justice. This is a nice looking Roadrunner. You can see how straight it is up and down the side. Check out the bright work, chrome. Everything up front looking good. The flat black paint on the hood, also in nice shape. Black vinyl top. It's like new. Take a look up and down this passenger side. Looking good. Black vinyl interior, bench seat. As far as the equipment inside, get around to that when we start it up and fire it up, and I'll going to give you a lowdown on that also. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There'll be trunk pictures in with the still pics. Very nicely finished back there also. As you can see, chrome work. Looks good in the back. And again, paint all the way around this. I really haven't seen much of a nick or a scratch or a chip in it. You can tell it's fresher. It's been a nice restoration on this car. You'll be able to check out the underside pics, engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, just click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Now, this car also has a tack option to it. We'll check that out when we get to the interior. It's a St. Louis, Missouri built car, FYI. All right, as far as interior goes, of course, the famous horn. Beep, beep horn does work. Wipers work. It appeared that the gauges all worked. Best of all, the radio worked in this one. Blower fan. So it appears that everything is functioning. Let's go ahead and start it up. See here, this one won't run. All right, so the gas gauge coming up. Alternator needle moves. Tachometer also working. I'm assuming that temp gauge, when it warms up, will come up. I have not had it warmed up. So once again, wipers work. AM FM radio work. Appear to be a stock one. Nice shape the dash is in. Let's see how smooth that 383 runs. Vinyl seats, also in nice shape. Front and back. Take a look at the headliner. I keep the glare off there for you a little bit. Yeah, headliner in nice shape. Watch how nicely this door closes also. Alright, listen to this. How good does that sound? It'll turn some heads, no doubt about that. Looks and sound. Alright, let's flip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped. Check out the engine bay. Very nice, tidy, stock looking engine bay. give me a second, we'll check it out. There's that high performance 383, the V8 underneath the hood. Again, power steering. And what you'd expect, does it look like under here? Doesn't look like anything crazy going on. Of course, the fender tag. See a picture of that in with the still pictures. Once again, still pictures can be checked out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. Beautiful 1968 Roadrunner. Sunfire yellow, 4-speed car. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. If you're interested in one of these, don't wait. They haven't lasted long, previous ones we've had. Give us a call. Look forward to hearing from you.